Just that one word can change your impression. Perfect for beginners and kids. Episode 13. Awkward Moment Chat. Wasn't that silence awkward? That was super awkward. I had no idea what to say. Same here. Didn't you call them the wrong name? I totally did. Their reaction was rough. Seriously. Did they hear what I said? Probably. I am so embarrassed. It happens. Aren't elevators awkward sometimes? Especially when alone. Do you usually say something? Usually silence. Didn't you wave at the wrong person? Totally the wrong person. That hurts. Very much. Haven't they read your message already? Yeah, they did. Isn't the reply taking forever? Very late. Didn't that joke totally fail? The room froze. I needed backup. Sorry about that. The staff is not coming. Keeping my hand up is awkward. Should we try again? Please do. Didn't we start talking at the same time? Totally overlapped. One of those, you go first, moments. Exactly. Did you feel that tension? Definitely. It suddenly got quiet. That was scary. Didn't you send that to the wrong chat? This is bad. Did you unsend it? Too late. Didn't you almost trip just now? That was close. Nobody saw that, right? Probably fine. Wasn't that silence too long? Felt like forever. Nobody said anything. Super awkward. Didn't I say something weird? Just a little. Please forget it. I will try. Isn't it hard to know when to leave? Every time. The conversation is still going. Exactly. Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.